Hi guys and welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox error code 264. To start, press your Windows plus R key on your keyboard and then a run program will appear. On the search bar of the run program, type in the following %local app data %, then click on OK. After clicking OK, a folder should appear. In here, look for the temp folder and open the temp folder. Then look for Roblox. Right-click on the folder and then click on Delete. Once done, open your internet browser this time and head on over to roblox.com. On your internet browser, tap on the three dots on the upper right. Now click Settings. Once you are now in Settings, click on Privacy and Security. Once you are now in Privacy and Security, the next step here is to hover your mouse into the middle. Then click on Cookies and Other Site Data. Once you are now here, scroll down. Then here, click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Now use the search bar on the upper right and then search for Roblox. Once you find Roblox, tap on the trash icon and then on the pop-up, click on Clear. Now look for your Roblox application, right-click and then click on Properties. Over at Roblox Player Properties, the next step right now is to click on Compatibility. In here, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Then click OK. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.